Alright guys, so the wait is finally over. We got the 2018 Dodge Durango SRT. These SUVs are just beautiful. I mean, they're breathtaking. I was so excited to do this review, and we're gonna go ahead and start. So, I mean, look, we got two different colors. We got the silver, and this is like a, I don't know, a different type of gray. It looks blue. I'm not really sure about the color yet. It looks like the Rhino, but it also looks like the Maximum Steel. This is the billet silver. I mean, just look at them. They look amazing. From the hood, just check out the hood first. Let's look at the hood. You got the, look at them. It looks just like the Hellcat hood. You got the 3 vents over here, and then you got another little vent right here. You got the SRT logo right here, of course. Look at the little details that they got. Dodge all over here. I like that. I like that. You got the HIDs in there. You also got some LED fog lights in here. You got the adaptive cruise control. More LEDs right there. This color is gorgeous. And same thing going on over here. It's the exact same car, just a different color. So there's one difference, and I'll get that in a second. But these wheels though, check out these fucking wheels though. These wheels are just so beautiful. So these are the new wheels for the Durango SRT. They are exactly like, no, they're not actually exactly the same color of the car, but they're like silver with little flakes on there. You got the center caps, and it looks like a different color, like a black type of color, but it says SRT on there. So that just fucking gorgeous. I mean, holy crap, these wheels are beautiful. They're wrapped around Pirellis. I believe these are 295s on the front. You got the Brembos over here. It sits kind of not too high and not too damn low, so it sits perfectly. Look at that. You got the 392 right here. This color, I'm just falling in love with this color. Like, just look at this color. Just let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What do you guys think of this color? This is a new color. It's gorgeous. You got the Brembos back here as well, and I believe these are 295s as well. This is an all-wheel drive car. So let me just look at this. You got, you know, same Durango tail lights. You got the Durango here, and this is the new Dodge 4-wheel drive symbol. So it means it's all-wheel drive. If you see this on cars, it means, you know, 4-wheel drive. You got the SRT right here, and right here you got the tow hook, so you could tow your race car with this. Man, these are just the color though, the color. Let's check out this billet silver one now. This thing is just beautiful, but still, I don't know, between these two colors, which one do you guys like? Let me know in the comments below. Comment a billet silver or this. I'm not sure what this color yet is. He told me, but I forgot. It's like a long name. But anyways, see, the wheels that are on that are different from the wheels that are on these. These are also the wheels that come on the Durango. These are nice as well, but I don't know what you guys think. The other ones are these ones. These ones also come with the SRT in the middle, the Brembos, the Pirellis, and you know, I was kind of lucky with this review. I got to review both of the colors, so that's kind of cool. The 392 here as well. They are pretty much exactly the same. The only difference is the wheels. The wheels is the only thing difference about the car. But man, I mean, just everything, what I like, everything is silver. So, you know, there is no chrome. Everything is either silver or black. So, you know how some cars come silver everywhere and people delete the chrome and whatever? You don't got to worry about that with this car. It's already, I mean, it looks gorgeous. Just look at it. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm drooling over these cars. I want one now after reviewing these. I'm speechless. So, anyways, the outside looks amazing, but let's step to the inside. Holy crap. All right, let's step to the inside. Yes, yes, yes. This thing is gorgeous. So you got the little carbon fiber details all going in there. This is how it looks. You got the chrome. This is new handle. I've never seen them on the other Durangos. I may be wrong, but yeah, I like these little handles. You got the memory seats. This is all leather with white stitching. You got the Beats sound system in here. You got more of that carbon fiber look here. You got the chrome around the air conditioning and heating. And just check this. Wow. So just check this interior out. I mean, holy crap, just look at this. You got the SRT here in this beautiful red leather. It smells good and it feels so damn soft to sit on. I mean, wow. I was definitely impressed with the way they made the interior look. Just look at the leather. This is probably the most comfortable leather I've ever sat on. It's red all around. You got the black a little bit on the side, and you know, you got the white stitching, and also you got the little compartment here. You got your 2 USBs. You got the aux. You got your little charging thing, and then you know, you got your pedals, of course. The steering wheel is just beautiful. As you could see, you got the SRT here. It's just like the Hellcat and, well, Jeep SRT wheel. It's just beautiful. Very, very, like, very thick and very comfortable to drive. I mean, just look at the details. You know, you got the little, this is like a kind of a black kind of chrome all around. You got that all over here. And then you got the little compartment here. This is for the CD, and I'll tell you what this actually does in just a second. So let's close this and so now let's see what's different about the Uconnect. So it says the Durango SRT as soon as you try to turn the car on. Let's see what is different. The dash is totally different than the other SRTs. You got the 180 over there on the dash. You got the gas gauges and all that. Why does it keep ringing? Okay, so let's see. You got the fuel economy. It's averaging 4.7 right now. That's great. Now you got the SRT pages here. You got the 0 to 100 kilometers. Okay, why is it in kilometers? 60. You got your 60 foot. Oh, somebody must have tried it. Not to do well. Okay, nobody's tried the quarter time. But as you can see, your quarter mile time, your last is here and your best is over here. And you also records it right here is the most recent one. Hold up. Let's see what else. You got your braking distance, the G-forces, all your lap times, your top speed. Somebody drove this. And let's see what else. You got your tire pressure and all that good stuff. But anyways, let's move on to the most important thing in this car. So here, you got your SRT pages. You got your track. The track, you got a little more options with this than, I mean, my Hellcat, I didn't have all these options. So here you got the transmission, you got the paddle shifter, stability control, I didn't have that. You got the all-wheel drive on track mode, suspension on track mode, the steering wheel on track mode, sport, custom, auto. You also got snow. Holy crap, this is nice. This is cool. So with snow, the transmission's on snow, paddle shifters are on, stability control is full, all-wheel drive is 50-50. I'm not sure how it goes, but you got the suspension on street. You got the tow, where it has it in tow mode. I mean, wow, you could set all this up. And you could also go back and set all this up manually. I mean, wow. You got the race option, you got the shift light. Turn that on, let it shift. You're welcome to the next owner. Get a little more torque out of it. You got the launch control here. valet mode, you know, you put your password, and as you can see, it disables everything. Let's take it off. You can put whatever password you want. And then let's look at the performance pages. The only thing I hate is it takes so damn long. It takes really, really long for the performance pages to load. And wow, okay, that was kind of fast. So anyways, you got the power. You could click what you want to put over here. You got your timers right here. Last, best, saved. Let's see the last. This car's brand new. So G-force, you got the engine. You got the dyno, which is cool. I showed you guys. If you guys haven't watched my Y-body Hellcat, the 2018 Y-body Hellcat review, it had the same thing, and we actually tested how this works. It's a pretty cool option that they started putting in these cars. And you also over here, you got your SRT, you got the launch. Let's see what happens when you click launch. Well, let's exit out of here. When you click launch, I guess it just keeps you here, I guess. I'm not sure. You got the eco mode as well. You know, you got all your cool stuff. You got the red button, of course. I like the red button. It seems a little bulkier than your normal red button that I have in my car, at least. It looks different. But anyways, you got more of the carbon fiber all around here. It's just, wow, I'm very impressed with this car. But the best part is the back. Let's check out the back. Of course, you got more of the red seats in here. You got this here, just so you don't get all the carpet dirty. But the coolest part is, hold up, give me 1 second. Let's turn this thing on run and come back here. You got these damn DVD players. I'm not sure how to turn these on, but I want to turn them on. You also got your HDMI and AV plugs. You can play Xbox in here and do all that cool stuff. And that is where you put your CD to watch DVDs. I'm not sure how to turn them on yet. Yeah, I'm not sure how to turn them on. But anyways, we're not gonna worry about that. You got your USBs here, you got your plug, you got your heated seats. Also, what they did different is you got this little center console that wasn't in the old Durangos, I don't believe. So of course, you got more stuff here, more USB charge. This is a USB for chargers only. You got a ton of space here. You got your cup holders. You got more storage, and of course you got the SRT back here. This thing is, and you got, so check out the lights over here. You could control where the light is going to. That's a pretty cool. Look, you can control where you want the light to be. And the more room here. Look at the leg room. This seat is sitting perfectly normal with ton of leg room. And just check out the leg room in the back over here. Just look at that. That's just crazy. So it has plenty of leg room. You got the red seats in the back as well. The most comfortable leather I've ever sat on. Man. All right, let's check out the trunk. Let's see how much storage this has for those who like storage and like to go on trips. You got ton of storage. So this obviously wouldn't be here. These are all the floor mats and all that stuff. So that will go. But you got pretty much, you could put these seats down, as you could tell, and you could have more room. Of course, more plugs back here for your charging and what. So you got a nice little compartment. You could put literally whatever you want in here, honestly. You got more over there, and yeah, it has, it's more than enough space. You got the little stainless here, and then you just click the button and the trunk will close just like that. It's nice. Alright, enough of all that. Let's pop the hood. And this is the hood. This thing is gorgeous. So you got the 392 Hemi. It doesn't say powered by SRT like the Scat Pack, so this is you know, SRT because it has the suspension, it has all that good stuff. This, you know, so here you got all your cool little stuff. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but yeah, this is the engine bay, guys. Not too much fancy stuff. You got your intake in here. Doesn't have the cool Hellcat intake, but I'm pretty curious on what kind of intakes they come out for the Durangos that might make this car sound better, you know, be a little faster. But yeah, this thing is okay. That didn't go well. But that's the outside of this, and this thing is, these two are just beautiful. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. You guys like this color or this color, or do you guys like these wheels on this silver or the wheels on this blue? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll show you guys what the key looks like. So the key is just like if you have a Hellcat and you have the black and red key, you would get the red key, and then you'd also get this black key that just says SRT on it. Thank you for tuning in for another video. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you explore the channel and see what other videos I got. You guys will enjoy all of them, I promise you that. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. Love you all.